Alright, today we are going to unbox the Ninja Mega Kitchen System 1500. What does it include? A 1500 watt motor base, a extra large 72 ounce pitcher with a lid, stackable blades, 8-cup food processor bowl, feed chute lid with 2-part food pusher, sounds good, choppable blade, dough blade, reversible slicing, shredding disc, grating disc, adapter, 3 16-ounce cups, 3 Nutri Ninja to-go lids, Nutri Ninja blade assembly instruction book, getting started recipes, and a quick start guide. So there's a whole lot in this box. As you can see, it just shows you all the different apparatuses, the things that you can do. Okay, so now let's get into it. First, we'll peel this off. And, oh my goodness, packaged very well. Alright, when you open it up, it has a bunch of advertising. You open it up, it has the bag that has all your, says, tips and recipes. Some tips and recipes there. The user's guide, and some other information about, I think, how to set it up. Okay, look up here. When you get into it, it looks like we got some different containers. We're going to open up our first one here. Whoa, this looks like the main one. Oh no. Okay, there is our Ninja big, I guess, dicing cup. Here's the single serve cups. Pull this box out. Oh my goodness. There's another box underneath there. There's still something in here. It looks like some type of blade. Going down for the second box. Boom. Holy cow, this is boxed up quite nicely so it all fits in there. I'll never be able to put it back in there again, probably. Here is the big pitcher. Now this is what I wanted it for. For the juice, the smoothies, all sorts of stuff like that. Okay. Whoa, looks like we've got some lids here. Unboxing this whole, that's the top to this. Got my assistants over here unpacking the stuff for us. Here's another part, I'm not quite sure what that was. It looked like a stick, but... Okay, here we got another one. Whoop. Individual cups. So we can make ourselves just a smoothie on the go, just breakfast or something. Oh, this one's got the blades in it. This is warning, sharp blades. Put those over there. I don't need these boxes anymore. Okay, what do we got in this guy right here? Wow, that looks like some blades. I might keep this box just to make sure. It's like grated cheese, stuff like that. This looks like some more of those blades. It's kind of stuck together, so I might have to pull this whole box out at the same time. Oh. Tight. Oh. This looks like the food chute. The food chute right there. Help push things down. And then, last but not least, I think we have our 1500 watt base station at the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So, it feels like that's what this might be. So, whoa. Now, I'm telling you, that looks like it's going to make some nice smoothies. So while my assistants are unpacking all the individual things, so we can see here what you all get in the Ninja 1500. I think this might be a package that Costco puts together. Oops, that might go in that. Okay, and we've got some blades. And then we have our Ninja. So let's try to pull some of this packaging out of the way so you can see. Oh, here's the lids. Let's go with that one. Blades. That's something. Alright. So, the Ninja 1500 looks very well made. I think it has about all you need to make smoothies, dough, great different foods and vegetables, and just kind of one-stop shop. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.